check out this colorful spirograph. In this video, we will use loops, angles and colors in Python Turtle to make these amazing hypnotic patterns. We already know how to draw a shape. But what if we could draw the same shapes many times, turning slightly each time? That's how we're gonna get a spirograph. Now here, let's get started and see how we are going to approach it. I'm going to set up my turtle, so make sure you import the turtle library. Today, as we want the different colors to be added in the spirograph, I will be using another library that is known as random. Just like turtle, random also consists of different functions or the commands that we can use to achieve that randomness. Now, let's move to the next part, which is to define the turtle. So, I'm going to use the T variable that's going to represent my turtle, followed by the turtle library, and this. Oops, R is missing. Now here, once that is done, I'm going to make sure that I add a background color. So for that, let me define a variable screen that's going to represent the screen function from the turtle library. Once that is done, I'm going to use BG color. This BG color, these are predefined commands from the turtle library. So yeah, we will have to remember. One mistake with one letter, it's gonna lead to an error. So yeah, try to remember. Now, here is an interesting part that we are going to do. We will be discussing a new kind of a concept, which is basically a list. Here, if you are someone who is new to this, you can check out my list video for much more clear concept. Now here, I'm going to create a list of colors because I want the spirograph to have different colors. So I'm going to start with the red. I'm going to go with the blue. I'm going to use the bright colors because the background is black. So blue, and let's use purple followed by orange. It doesn't have to be, the color names does not have to be like mine. You can change your colors because it's your project. Green, okay, I'm gonna keep only 5 colors and I'm gonna move ahead. Once this list is done, I'm going to use a loop. If you remember in the previous video, we used a loop which helped us to repeat the code in order to make a particular shape. Same thing's gonna happen here also. I am going to create multiple circles, so I will need a loop for that. And the for loop is the best option. So for I in range. If I explain this again, for is a keyword. Like I said, these are some predefined keywords which are already used in Python. So make sure you don't miss them. I is the variable that is going to help you iterate until the loop runs for a specific number of times. So here I want it to repeat for 36 times because I want a circular pattern. All the circles attached in a circular pattern. Great. Next, let's try to change the color. Now, as we know, T represents the turtle. Color is the command that will help us to change the color of the turtle. And how we are going to change the color with the randomness, we will be using the random module followed by a function which is known as random.choice. So this choice is specifically designed to be used with the list, and the list name is colors, which consists different color names. Then we have circle, and now I'm going to make a big circle or maybe circle with 80 edges. And then once a single circle is drawn, I'm going to make sure that it turns to draw another circle, however a little bit in a separate degree. So that's why I'm going to say turn right somewhere around 10 degrees. So this is going to help you create a whole circular pattern. 10 times, you are repeating it for 36 times, eventually you get 360-degree angle. Once that is done, I'm going to use t.hide turtle. Now once that is done, if I hit the run, you'll see a turtle is drawing. Now you'll see the speed is quite slow. Then also we have an amazing feature here. You can come back and you can use the speed command and set the value to 100. If you do that, you'll see the turtle is going to be way more faster than it was. Now once that will be done, and once we get our spirograph, which is looking really nice, make sure you are clicking on Untitled and saving your project. So I'm gonna name it as Spirograph. You can name it anything else if you want. And there we go. We can save it. And here we have it. I think I made one mistake over here, which was this turtle. And if I run it again and I click on save, make sure you're saving it, and you can even share it with your friends. Okay, so once we will be done with this part, it's going to be really amazing. Beautiful. Try changing the number of circles or the angle. Even small tweaks makes a totally new design. Now once you will be done, I have a challenge for you. Can you make a rainbow spirograph with exactly 7 colors? If yes, so do share the link in the comments. I will definitely check them out. Great job! Today you learned about angles, variables, colors. Next time we'll make a turtle race game with randomness. See you there!